So today is going to be a memorial ride for our boy Trey. Trey was on his way to one of our weekend meetups where we ride down to the coast, and he came out just the previous weekend and he had a lot of fun, so he wanted to come out again. I texted him that morning, I was like, hey man, we're meeting up, come on through. Well, he was running a little bit late and we got a hold of him, and when he was on the phone, he's like, yeah man, I'm passing by the Walmart, I'll be there in a few minutes. Well, when he got off the phone, just a few moments later, he was hit and killed by a car at that intersection right in front of the Walmart. It just goes to show how quickly some things can change and how every moment's precious. I'm really glad that I got to ride with him the previous weekend, and I'm really glad that I chose to go get lunch with him, because I was thinking about going home. We'd been out riding all day, but him and AP convinced me to go get ham and knockers with him. With that being said, we got together as many bikers as we could and all of his buddies from the tow trucking company, and we're going to lead an escort over to the funeral home. Then we're going to have the funeral service, and after the funeral service, we're going to take Trey to his final resting place and send him off with a bang.
Mesh intercom on. Open mesh channel 2.
I don't know who that was. Anybody in the mesh?
No, nobody.
Oh my god, who just yelled? That hurt me.
That was, Adam, I think, that yelled like that.
Adam? Who's Adam? I thought we had code names.
Oh yeah, code name the bomb.
Are they blocking traffic?
Yeah.
Oh, we better get a move on.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to fucking.
Oh shit! What you doing? Oh, that's not you. I saw the red bike, thought it was you. Oh, damn, Adam's a squid.
Nope. Walk it out. I was gonna say something about how he looks like he's too short for that bike. Yeah, and then he goes and falls over.
Donnie just swooping out.
You know, I feel like we should hit some of those boys. Hey, Donnie, here we go. Is this a wheelie party run?
I'm behind you, Donnie.
Oh yeah, quality.
Man, I wish I had the Harley right now.
Why is that?
Because the Harley wheelies are just so much smoother.
This guy doesn't know how to wheelie a street bike anymore.
But doesn't the MC come up so much easier?
It does.
Alright then.
Is that it's too easy?
It
Quit
is.
your bitching.
I don't have a challenge anymore. I mean, this thing's easy to wheelie, but like the Harley feels better.
What was Jose's excuse?
Oh, I don't know. He didn't even provide one. He just said something came up.
Oh.
Probably his alarm.
He broke his burner wood. I was just about to say that. We got us a tow truck blocking shit. We need to hire these fly routes.
Yeah, we do.
Is this it? Is this the church?
I don't know. I already passed the church. The church is on. I think it is this church. Oh wait, there's that church. I don't know. There's like a funeral gathering at the church. We're turning around to it, I think, or something.
I don't know. Follow the leader.
Oh my god.
They put the party tire up there.
Oh, don't do that. You gotta get a new chain on that thing. It's dragging your swing arm.
Oh, it's so bad.
And I don't want to hear any of y'all talk to me about a chain ever again.
Well, I mean, you change yours like twice a year, so. I thought he said something about talking about trains.
Battery died.
Oh, damn.
Don't use it. Push start.
I think they want us to get up there. I'm moving.
Wahoo!
Don't get me.
Put her, Daddy!
Get that other leg! Get it! Don't get the other leg! I need one!
Well, they're in the way! I'm following you.
I don't know. Should I get up front?
Or is there another fucking line are we making or some shit? Yeah, get out of the way. Get out of my way, boy. Go. Get out of the damn way.
Alright, Mike, I'm following you.
Get your ass. Go forward, boy. You don't want to be next to your wife? I guess. If I have to.
And I'll come over here and get next to Adam.
Yeah, Nitro, yeah.
That's his car? Hmm.
Well, that's that Trey dude's car?
Yeah.
How much they want for it?
That's so bad. That's so bad.
Donnie.
What's funny is he's gonna clip that.
I am. That's a short. Chris just got
you.
to the gas station.
Did you tell him where we were?
Yeah, we're right up the road.
I gave him that address, so when he pulls in there, we'll know.
Nobody move. He'll just pull in there. Like, where's everyone at?
How do I usually do them?
Oh lordy! Cars out here wilding.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they are. They ain't got no respect.
No
And they
respect.
talk about bikers like we're bad.
We are bad.
Speak for yourself.
Oh, there's our Escort.
Found it?
They're blocking.
Can we do wheelies like now?
Definitely.
No, I probably wouldn't do them. That's just a bad idea.
Yeah.
But them Ricardo boys don't like that shit. I bet they don't pass it. I gotta get around this dick fart boy. They gonna bump my tire.
I just been on her.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Oh boy, Donnie can wheelie again.
I can wheelie! I can wheelie!
Yeah.
I want to get better footage, so I came over here, and I like being behind Donnie.
Yeah.
Always trying to get behind me.
Smells like rice and beans back here. Everybody must be concentrated because I don't hear anyone anymore.
No one's talking. Or they kicked us out. They kicked us out.
You're so
I'm deep in thought. I'm looking at these Ducati guys.
He's a deep in dick fart thought.
No, I was trying to see if I could get up next to Chris again.
I thought I heard somebody say something about a cop.
No, no. I'm gonna try to get up there with you, Chris.
Wait, why is this Jeep cutting in front? What is this Jeep doing? What is the Jeep doing?
Don't let them in.
I think they're a part of the funeral. No, they're not. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, they are. Yeah, they are.
Oh, they're blocking it. Okay, I was like, what are they doing?
Blinkers, guys. Blinkers. Turn them off.
Luckily, I never turned mine on. Yeah, these guys are a little more proper than I am when I leave these things.
You know, these people know how to do a ride.
It's red. We can turn left.
Yeah, we can. You know how I go.
It's so weird being on this thing because the Harley doesn't move when you touch the bars, but this thing goes like diving. See? Oh, what a ripper! Go, 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 go! Oh, that was in third. Oh, I thought you were gonna do it. Oh well, Chris, have a shot. Well, get the shot of Chris then. Oh, look at Ducatis. Yeah, that's you.
I can get in a wheelie too. Windy as fuck up here.
Yeah, it looks like it. Come on, Donnie, snatch one up. Not this fast, I'll tell you that. Oh, that's sick. This guy knows how to do the fast boy wheelies, I tell you. Oh, you're gonna hit the curve. Oh. You're good, you're good. You're good. Oh.
My arm is getting a pump.
Yeah? Woo! What the hell was that?
Oh,
I don't know. Oh, the sheriff. Oh, watch out.
Oh shit.
You might have seen all that. Oh, you might have. Yeah, you came into the curve. You were in the curve.
Dude, why does nobody give a head tap?
I didn't even know what it was. And he got the pro tapers on there. You know he's a real killer.
Oh yeah, and the one finger. You don't got the one finger.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you don't have a one finger on that thing. Ah, well, if you can't wheelie a stock bike, you can't wheelie.
I don't think that car turned around. We're good.
I don't think so either. Call from the Jefferson County Sheriff's Department. They were like, "Hey, we need that guy on the blue bike. Just pull over and we'll come get him." Yeah.
Haha. Yeah, guy on the blue
Shit,
bike.
I'm glad that's not a Ducati. I thought I hit a Ducati. I'll be damned. That's it. Oh, hell no. Motherfucker. It's okay, I know you're just learning. Thank you. I say we just start hitting some wheelies.
I was about to.
I was
But
thinking
I already pushed my luck with that cop chilling back there.
Yeah. There wasn't anybody in that truck. I'm pretty sure there was. There was lights on and everything.
Yeah, there was lights on.
Yeah, and then he ran from them with the lights were on.
Yeah, the brake lights were on.
No. Those are still lights. They're red. Yeah, they're red. And they were flashing as he passed them. Yeah.
Just trying to remember why I don't come to these.
Put it in my front pocket.
I remember why I don't come to these. Oh, I can only ride with dirt bikes, but I can't take my dirt bike in the dirt. Hey, foot race, come on, foot race. That's it. Go! Damn, you guys suck. Connor beat you by a quarter mile. Connor beat a 600. 500 to 600. He had the Lamborghinis at full speed.
I'm dying for a reason, pal.
Yeah, I'll be out there, you know.
Oh, Chris, he's coming! Chris, he's coming! Ah! Really? No. Okay, where we going? How we lose Spice? She's leading us, some bitch.
Alright, get out of here, you Ducati guy.
Whoa! Hey, buddy. I didn't see you there.
You're wild, bro.
We got an Escort. Live a little, Chris. What's he gonna do? Give me a ticket?
Maybe.
You can't be so scared, Chris. Wow. Oh, Dickfart out here in the wild.
Alright, pop it up real quick, right?
Now watch. Next stop sign, he tackles me. But they're pretty good.
On the bright side, we're both wearing black, and we both got black helmets, and we both got blue bikes.
So it'll be easy to find both of y'all. So we did kind of both do it here, Chris. Alright, the story is only one of us did it. He has to prove which one did it. Should I do a burnout behind the cop?
Hell no, this lady's
That's
telling us to
crazy.
calm down.
They want to keep it quiet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the lady over here waving.
Oh, this might not be his funeral.
Nah, this isn't. It isn't.
We're just bombing someone else's funeral. It is.
Oh my god, we
Oh my
are.
god.
That's fucking horrible.
Oh god.
That's awkward.
Oh no, dude, that sucks.
That is so awkward.
It is.
Horrible.
Y'all are so rude. It's a good thing I didn't do that burnout, because I was thinking about it. Oh my god, that would have been bad.